All right, so here we're going to take a look at a motion capture using 4D motion of one of our 10-year-olds, and we have the kinematic sequence graph up here, which is going to show us. I have the pelvis and the chest and the lead arm and the bat highlighted on here, which is going to show us when the pelvis and the hips accelerate and decelerate, when the shoulders go, the lead arm, and when the bat accelerates. So what we're looking for, and we're going to look at the deceleration pattern here, which is really how energy gets transferred from one segment to the next. What we're looking for is for the pelvis to decelerate and start to slow down first, then followed by the chest and the shoulders, then followed by the arms, and then of course followed by the bat. This sequence is right what we're looking for. So he's perfectly in sequence, and we'll kind of take you through it here. Obviously a big old leg kick, but so the red is the pelvis, and you're going to see that line is up ahead of the chest and the lead arm, so that's good. So we like to see that, of course, accelerating first, and then as we get up to this point right here, we're right on that red dot. That's where the pelvis has hit its highest angular velocity and where it starts to slow down so that the shoulders can pick up speed off of that. Okay, and then next, the shoulders begin to slow down, and then right here is where the arms begin to slow down, and then you can see all the way at the top up there, that black dot, that's the bat. So you can see how much speed is gained off of a proper sequence. Another thing to kind of look at here is what the hips and what the pelvis, and honestly even what the shoulders are doing at contact. So as we get through here, this is basically our contact point somewhere right in here. Okay, so at this point the hips, if we take a look, watch the red line here. So as the red line goes down, 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 all the way down to zero, so as he's making contact, the hips have essentially completely stopped, and that creates a great stable base for all that energy from the bat to get translated into the ball. As we play it farther a little bit more, you can even see the hips dip down below that zero line, so there's even a little bit of recoil with the hips, which again is definitely not a bad thing. So and then up here, kind of through the finish. So this is some of the motion capture stuff that we use. Very helpful for us to see exactly what's going on with the kinematic sequence, which is how we transfer energy and put some force into the ball.